Here is the Starbucks Mocha K-Cup pots. Let's open it up and put it inside. This Starbucks Mocha Flavored Coffee tastes so good, and it has such a nice, luscious mocha taste. It's sweet, but not overly sweet, and it is delicious. And you can also make it your own. Afterwards, you can add a little bit extra sweetener, some milk, syrup, cream, whatever you like. And it just tastes so good, and you can tell it's nice and fresh. And they're used with roasted 100% arabica coffee beans, and it just tastes fantastic. I absolutely love it. Every time we come to the office, I always look forward to seeing if the Starbucks is there. And yum, 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 I absolutely love the taste. Definitely recommend it for office use or at home too. And it's so easy and convenient. After you're done, you just throw the K-cups away or recycle them. Super easy to use. Definitely recommend it. Yum, yum, yum. Perfect cup of coffee. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.